Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host. Today we're looking at a major development in the automotive world that's set to shake things up. Hyundai is building an electric vehicle factory in Saudi Arabia. It's a massive project, with construction underway on what will be one of the largest car factories in the region. The joint venture between Hyundai and the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund (PIF) has announced its plans for the facility, which will have an annual capacity of 50,000 vehicles, including both electric cars and combustion-powered vehicles. The production facility is scheduled to go online in the fourth quarter of 2026, making it one of the most eagerly anticipated new manufacturing facilities in the automotive industry. ElectroDrive News has learned that the plant will be built in King Abdullah Economic City, a major hub for automotive manufacturing in Saudi Arabia. But what's really exciting about this development is the implications it holds for the region and the global automotive sector as a whole. With its investment of over $500 million, Hyundai is making a significant commitment to establishing Saudi Arabia as a key player in the production of electric vehicles. The localization of production is expected to play a major role in achieving this goal, with PIF holding a 70% stake in the joint venture and Hyundai taking on the remaining 30%. ElectroDrive News has also learned that Lucid Motors, another major player in the electric vehicle sector, is already operating an electric car factory in Saudi Arabia, producing the highly successful Lucid Air. So what does this mean for the future of sustainable mobility? It's clear that Saudi Arabia is serious about becoming a leader in the production and distribution of electric vehicles. And with Hyundai on board, it's likely to be a major player in the industry for years to come. We'll be keeping a close eye on developments at this exciting new factory, and we'll bring you all the latest news as it happens. In the meantime, that's it for today. Thanks for watching ElectroDrive News.